बात बात से बात बने, आपको साथ और सहारा मिले, ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। सब सुरक्षित रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, हर एक को उसका अधिकार मिले, हर सवाल का सबको जवाब मिले, ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। इस विश्व एड्स दिवस पर हम सलाम करते हैं उन सबको जो हमेशा निष्ठा से अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाते हैं और जिन्होंने बिना डरे, बिना रुके इस मुश्किल समय में भी अपनी जिम्मेदारी बखूबी निभाई। हम सबकी एक जिम्मेदारी और है, कोरोना से बचें। जब तक दवाई नहीं, तब तक ढिलाई नहीं।
सूरज की किरणें फैले जहां तक, हर चेहरे पे मुस्कान है। हो रहा ना अकेला कोई यहाँ पर, एक दूजे का साथ है। ओ तय किया था जो लक्ष्य मिलकर हमने और सरकार ने, हो रहा वो साकार है। हम संग है तो संभव है, सब संग है तो संभव है। हो रही है बात खुल के HIV एड्स पर, भेदभाव छोड़कर अब आया एक बदलाव है, बदलाव है। युवाओं ने भी अपनी हिस्सेदारी दिखाकर बनाई एक नई मिसाल है, मिसाल है। तय किया था जो लक्ष्य मिलकर हमने और सरकार ने, हो रहा वो साकार है। हम संग है तो संभव है, सब संग है तो संभव है। समझ कर समझा कर काउंसलिंग से हो रहा सुरक्षित व्यवहार है। HIV जांच को नियमित करवा कर खुद के स्टेटस का हर कोई जानकार है। पॉजिटिव निकला अगर HIV तो तुरंत शुरू हो रहा ART उपचार है। सेवाओं का लाभ ले रहे सभी, सबको मालूम अपने अधिकार है। तय किया था जो लक्ष्य मिलकर हमने और सरकार ने, हो रहा वो साकार है। हम संग है तो संभव है, सब संग है तो संभव है। हम संग है तो संभव है, सब संग है तो संभव है।
हालात कैसे भी हों, पर हम चलते जाते हैं। नए तौर तरीकों को अपनाकर बुलंद हौसलों से आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं। हम अपना कर्तव्य निभाते हैं क्योंकि ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। मुस्कान आपकी बनी रहे, उम्मीद का दामन थमा रहे, बात बात से बात बने, आपको साथ और सहारा मिले, ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। सब सुरक्षित रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, हर एक को उसका अधिकार मिले, हर सवाल का सबको जवाब मिले, ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। इस विश्व एड्स दिवस पर हम सलाम करते हैं उन सबको जो हमेशा निष्ठा से अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाते हैं और जिन्होंने बिना डरे, बिना रुके इस मुश्किल समय में भी अपनी जिम्मेदारी बखूबी निभाई। हम सबकी एक जिम्मेदारी और है, कोरोना से बचें। जब तक दवाई नहीं, तब तक ढिलाई नहीं।
A very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to 3rd Regional RRC Quiz Competition. My name is Garima Sharma and I work for NACO. Yesterday we have had 2 rounds of regional competitions covering the northern and southern India. The state of Rajasthan and the UT of Puducherry were the winners, and they have already selected and have confirmed their berth for the grand finale, which is scheduled on January 12th to commemorate the observance of National Youth Day. Having said that, I want to tell you all that India is connoted as one of the youngest countries today. India has the youngest adolescent and youth population ever, and with larger numbers comes larger responsibilities. So the youth out there have to carry a bigger responsibility on your shoulders in order to contribute to make India a healthier and a better nation. And awareness generation is the key. So quiz competitions are one of the most productive and quintessential methods of creating awareness. They help us brush our already existing knowledge and also help us enhance and learn about newer subjects and newer areas. I want to draw your attention to the fact that this NACO's quiz competition was the brainchild of our Honorable Joint Secretary, Shri Alok Saxena ji. And it took 3 years for this concept to conceptualize, and today we are standing in front of you. Now, I would ask Dr. Naresh Goyal, the Deputy Director General of NACO, who is heading the CST and IEC team, to give the opening remark. Sir, we feel very blessed and humbled to be working under your guidance and stewardship. Over to Goyal, sir.
Thank you, Garima, and good morning to all the participants and all the viewers who are watching this program. I congratulate all of you to be here as a participant after winning your district and state level competitions, reaching here. So it's a great thing. This is the first time that we are having this kind of a competition, and I want it to happen more and more, and probably you also want to happen it more and more. It's not a competition. In fact, it's an exercise. It's an activity whereby we are trying to create an atmosphere so that each and every youth of this country is able to protect oneself from the diseases like HIV, AIDS, STI, etc., etc. So our goal is not simply competition. Our goal is much larger, that each and every person who is vulnerable should be able to protect. Right now, if there are nearly, still 5.5 lakh people who do not know their status as to be whether they have HIV or not. So we want them to come forward also, and we want the population of 99% population, 99.7% population, which is HIV free, should remain HIV free. And in fact, no one further should have a new infection. So without taking much time, I would like to say that enjoy this way of competition, learning, fun, everything together, and be kind of a you are kind of a responsible citizen in future life also, and whatever you learn, always try to pass it to your peers and other colleagues. With these words, once again, good morning to all of you, and happy quizzing. Over. Garima, unmute. Garima has to unmute, I think.
Thank you, Dr. Goyal, for your inspirational words. And yes, he very correctly pointed out that all of you are winners and it is not a competition. You all have walked that extra mile to be present here to represent your respective state. So let's have a round of introduction. I request each team to put across your name and the name of the state you are representing. So I'll go alphabetically. Team Arunachal Pradesh.
Again. Hello everyone, my name is Tai Gunia and I'm representing my state Arunachal Pradesh.
Hello everyone, my name is Mili Bharat and I'm representing my state Arunachal Pradesh, and I wish best of luck to all the participant state.
Thank you.
Thank you, Team Arunachal. Be more enthusiastic. Second is Team Assam.
Hello everyone, this is Flavan Sharma from Assam.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bashra and I'm representing my state Assam.
Welcome Team Assam. Team Meghalaya. Unmute yourselves. मेघालय को unmute कर दो यहाँ से पुनीत. Team Meghalaya, please unmute yourselves.
Hello, can you hear us?
Yes, go ahead. Yes, Team Meghalaya.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning, everyone. My name is Ronald B. Marak, and I'm representing Meghalaya.
Hi, everyone. I am Juhiwanti Pala, and I'm representing Meghalaya. And may the best team win.
Welcome, Team Meghalaya. Can we have Mizoram?
Greetings, everyone. My name is Sheila Remsang, representing the state of Mizoram.
And my name is Lauren Puyaralte, representing Mizoram.
Welcome, Team Mizoram. Can I have introduction from Nagaland?
Hello, everyone. I'm Yangzabi Sungdam, representing the state Nagaland.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tolem, and we are representing Nagaland.
Welcome, Team Nagaland. Can we have introduction from Sikkim?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Yogesh Sharma, representing state Sikkim.
Hello, everyone. My name is Emerald Lepcha, and I'm representing state Sikkim.
Welcome. Tripura?
Good morning, everyone. I am Debanjan Mujumdar, representing the state of Tripura.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ayan Sarkar, representing the state Tripura.
West Bengal?
Hello, everyone. I am Parijat Bhattacharya.
I am Shourodip Sarkar.
And we are representing Team West Bengal.
Okay. So we'll begin with the competition. So I'll just run through the rules for the competition. The competition is divided into 3 rounds. First round is called the straight drive round. For first round, each team would be given 3 questions each. You have to answer the question in 30 seconds. For every correct answer, you would get 10 marks. And for every incorrect answer, you would lose 5 marks. Now, being your host as well as dost, I want to draw some learnings from yesterday's 2 competitions which happened, and we would imply those learnings to this round 1. So the essence of this round is time management. Like I said earlier, you would be given 30 seconds. Be very mindful and optimally utilize those 30 seconds. Do not make an incorrect answer in haste because it's a gamble of 15 marks. That is, you lose the opportunity of adding 10 marks to your score as well as lose 5 marks from already existing scores. So you lose a total of 15 marks. 30 seconds, reread the question, reread the options. If need be, discuss it, come to a consensus and put across a thoughtful answer. Having said that, let's start our first round. Round 1. To Team Arunachal. Which national toll-free number would you dial to seek updated information about COVID-19? Your options and time starts now.
Option A. Option A.
You said
Option D.
No, we will go with option A because that was the quickest one. And it's to your relief, it is an correct answer. 10 points to you.
Sorry.
Relax.
Okay.
Team Arunachal, it's okay. Relax, sit straight, upright, and wait for your next chance. Now, next question goes to Team Assam. Northeast Multimedia Campaign is a medium to generate HIV awareness amongst youth of Northeastern India through local popular entertainment. Which state was the winner of Northeastern Multimedia Campaign 2020? Your options are
It's option B, Manipur.
and it's a correct answer. Congratulations, Team Assam. You get 10 more points. Now, next question is for Team Meghalaya. NEC is the nodal agency for the economic and social development of the Northeastern region. What does NEC stand for? Your options and time starts now. Yeah, I can see your finger 3, but you have to unmute and speak it aloud. Team Meghalaya, you are losing out on time. Unmute.
C.
You made it in right time, and yes, your answer is correct. Please be receptive, unmute and speak. No sign languages from next time. Team Meghalaya. Next question is for Team Mizoram. Government of India announced its new goal with regard to elimination of tuberculosis by which year? The options are, and time starts now.
Option B.
Option B. So Eastern region is to a winning stroke. Yes, it is the correct answer. Team Mizoram, you have 10 marks. Now next question is for Team Nagaland. Antiretroviral therapy meant for people tested positive for HIV is a therapy for how much duration? Your options are, and your time starts now.
Option D, lifelong.
Yes, very correct. You answered it in almost 5 seconds. Good one. Good Team Nagaland. Now we move to Team Sikkim. And your question is, PMJAY is a pioneering initiative of Prime Minister of India to ensure that poor and vulnerable population is provided health cover. What does PMJAY stand for? Your options are, and your time starts now.
Option A, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana.
Eastern region is on fire. Sikkim, you have 10 points against your name. Very well played. This was a tough one. Now the next question is for Team Tripura. It was established at the national level as a statutory body under an act of parliament with the aim to protect, promote and defend child rights. Which organization am I talking about? Team Tripura, your options are, and your time starts now.
Option B, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights.
Oh gosh, Eastern region is on fire. It is the correct answer. Very well deserved 10 points. Now next question is for Team West Bengal. If I request you to download a mobile application which connects essential health services in fight against COVID-19, which application am I talking about? Your options are, and your time starts now.
Option D, Arogya Setu app.
Very well played, Team West Bengal. The answer is correct. So at the end of the first session of round 1, we don't need to announce the scores because everybody is at 10. So pull up your socks, plug in, and let's start the second session of round 1. Now the first question goes to Team Arunachal again. Adolescence education program under NACP is being implemented in coordination with a national level autonomous body related to education. Which body is this? Your options are, and your time starts now.
Option A, option A.
Yes, Arunachal, you have answered it correctly. Well deserved 10 points. Now the next question is for Team Assam. Which of the following is a specialized agency of the United Nations responsible for international public health? Your options are, and your time starts now.
Option A, the World Health Organization.
Absolutely correct. It is one of the specialized agencies of the UN. So the Eastern region is off to a very, very great start. It is the unprecedented start that we have had in last 2 regions. Congratulations, Team East, and we want you to keep going and keep the momentum up. So now next question is for Team Meghalaya. On which day is the World Tuberculosis Day observed? Your options are, and the time starts now.
The 24 March.
Oh God, that was good. It was tough one to crack. Well deserved 10 points, Team Meghalaya. Now next question is for Mizoram. On which day is International Yoga Day observed? Your options are, and your time starts now.
Option A.
Are you sure it's option A?
21st June.
Well played, Team Mizoram. It is indeed option A. 10 points to you. Now next question goes to Team Nagaland. On which day is World Mental Health Day observed? Your options are, and your time starts now.
Option A, 10th October.
Yes, I would give it to you. It is indeed 10th October. Well played, Team Nagaland. Now the next question is for Sikkim. ASHA is a community health worker instituted to improve health outcomes, particularly among women and children. ASHA stands for, your options are, and the time starts now.
Option D.
Option D.
Yes.
Is what you are saying. Yes. Sorry, I couldn't give it to you. It is option C. It's an activist. See, it's written there. Instituted to improve. It's okay. You will have more questions your way. It's okay. Relax, Team Sikkim. So 5 marks have been deducted from your total. Next question goes to Team Tripura. People with which blood group are the universal recipients? Your options are, and your time starts now.
Option D, AB positive.
I can't hear you. Come on.
Option D, AB positive.
Option D is what you are saying.
AB positive.
Okay. So Team Tripura, you have got it correctly. It is indeed AB positive. Very well played. Next question is for Team West Bengal. AIMS is a public hospital and medical research institute. What does AIMS stand for? Your options are, and your time starts now.
It's option D, All India Institute of Medical Sciences.
Very well played. The answers were neck to neck to create confusion, but you have cracked it nicely. So you have earned 10 points. Now we move. Achha, let's have a look at the score now. Can I have the screen? So Sikkim is the team which is trailing behind. It's okay. We have another set of questions for each of you. Rest everybody is at point 20. Well played, Eastern team. Now let's start with the third phase of first round. Now first question goes to team Arunachal. The headquarter of Northeastern Council Secretariat is situated in which city of India? Your options are, and the time starts now.
Option A.
Option A is what you are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Team Arunachal, I cannot give it to you. Meghalaya would know it better. It is Shillong. It's okay. Relax. Now next team goes to next question goes to Assam. United Nations, under National AIDS Control Program, which program provides HIV-related education in schools? Your options are, and your time starts now.
It's option C, Adolescents Education Program.
And you have answered it correctly. 10 points in Assam. Next question is for Meghalaya. The United Nations were formulated following the devastation of the Second World War with a central mission to maintain international peace and security. When was the UN body constituted? Your options are, and your time starts now.
1945.
That was quick, Meghalaya, and you have answered it correctly. Well deserved 10 points. Now next question is to Mizoram. National Youth Day is celebrated on birth anniversary of which personality? Your options are, and your time starts now.
Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda. Option A.
A. And you have answered it correctly. 10 points to you. Now the next question is for Team Nagaland. Night blinders, dryness of the conjunctiva, dry skin and loss of hair are some of the symptoms of deficiency of, your options are,
Option D, folic acid.
Option D.
Option D, folic acid.
I heard that. My heart is broken. It's the incorrect answer. It's vitamin A. Hard luck, Team Nagaland. It was tough one to crack. Anyways, now the next question is for Sikkim. The Supreme Court of India in 2014 recognized transgender persons as a distinct gender and affirmed the fundamental rights under the Constitution of India. The judgment is popularly known as, your options are,
Transgender person होने से चलाओ बंदे
the time is running out. Team
A.
Option A.
You just made it in the nick of the time. Yes, it is indeed the correct answer. Well played, Team Sikkim. Next question is for Tripura. In which year the first phase of National AIDS Control Program was started? Your options are
Option C, 1992.
Very well played, Team Tripura. It indeed is the correct answer. Though it was a little easy one, but you played it well. Now, next question is for West Bengal. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has launched a health program for adolescents in the age group of 19 to 10 years for their nutrition, reproductive health, and substance abuse, among other issues. What is the name of the program? Your options are, and the time starts now.
It's option A, Rashtriya Kishor Shastra Karyakram.
Rashtriya Kishor Swasthya Karyakram. Are you sure about it, Team West Bengal?
Yes, yes.
And you have gained yourself 10 more points. So let us have a look at the scores now. After the end of the round 1, out of a total of 8 teams, 5 teams would be qualifying for round 2. Let's have a look at the scores. So the teams which have qualified are Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura and West Bengal. Many congratulations to the qualifying teams, and teams which haven't qualified are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Sikkim. I think elimination is the most difficult part of this competition. And see, I want to tell you all that you all are already winners, and these numbers nowhere justify or are even close to the amount of knowledge and experience you have. It's just that maybe it wasn't your day or your luck was running out. That's it. You all are winners. Good luck. For the next round, we'll be meeting 5 teams. And we'll see you after the round, after the break. Now, for the audience, we have an audience question. So the question will pop up on your screen, and you have to answer it correctly in the minimum time. 5 top responses would be given prizes. See you after the break.
अबे जाके देखना फूटा क्यों नहीं।
अबे एक पटाखे के चक्कर में रिस्क। बीवी बच्चों वाला हूँ यार, सावधानी बरतना आदत है मेरी।
आदत अच्छी आदत है। कॉन्डम देना प्लीज। मैं और कहीं भले रिस्क ले लेता हूं, पर अपनी जान के साथ कभी नहीं, क्योंकि एक बार भी चूके तो HIV, एड्स, यौन संक्रमण या अनचाहा गर्भ कुछ भी हो सकता है। इसलिए कॉन्डोम हर बार
एक अच्छी आदत।
कुछ नहीं बेटा, कल तू इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज जा रहा है ना?
हाँ।
घर से दूर पहली बार। अरे मेरी दाम, आप बात करो ना, मैं आती हूँ।
क्या बात करनी है पापा?
तो बेटा वो H फॉर हिप्पोपोटामस काफी परेशान है ना? हा?
बच्चों से H4 HIV के बारे में खुल के बात करना किसी इम्तिहान से कम नहीं, पर उन्हें असुरक्षित यौन संबंध और संक्रमित सुई से बचे रहने की सलाह तो देनी पड़ेगी। तो दीजिए और कीजिए उनकी परवरिश का असली इम्तिहान पास। सरकारी अस्पताल में HIV की जांच और इलाज गुप्त और मुफ्त। HIV से बचाव लाइफ का असली इम्तिहान।
तुम्हारे पापा ने मना कर दिया तो?
हिटलर थोड़ी ना है मेरे पापा। 1-2 घंटे बिठा कर तुम्हारा टेस्ट लेंगे, फिर हाँ बोल देंगे।
टेस्ट? कैसा टेस्ट?
हाँ तो यंग मैन, क्या नाम बताया?
रवि कुमार।
जो भी है, कहाँ तक पढ़े हो?
जी मैं
क्या करते हो
आजकल? तुम
ड्रग तो नहीं करते?
नहीं।
वैसे तुम्हारा HIV स्टेटस क्या है?
हाँ जी बोलो।
HIV के लक्षण दिखने में कई साल लग सकते हैं। अगर आपने कभी भी असुरक्षित यौन संबंध रखा हो या संक्रमित सुई का इस्तेमाल किया हो तो नजदीकी आईसीटीसी क्लिनिक में HIV की जांच जरूर करवाएं।
सरकारी अस्पताल में HIV की जांच और इलाज गुप्त और मुफ्त।
HIV से बचाओ, लाइफ का असली इम्तिहान।
जैसे सूट टाइप मुझे ये ग्रीन या फिर ब्राउन। ठीक है, आप ये पैक कर दीजिए। सेब कितने का दिया? बच्चे को संतरा ही पसंद है, यही दे दीजिए।
काश आपका होने वाला बच्चा आपको ये सब सलाह दे सकता। इसीलिए अगर आप माँ बनने वाली हैं, तो HIV टेस्ट जरूर करवाएं। बच्चे को HIV से बचाने के लिए जल्द ही पता लगाना और वक्त पे दवाई दिलवाना जरूरी है।
करें वही जो बच्चे के लिए हो सही।
बिट्टू, बहू कब से तैयार होकर बैठी है? टेस्ट के लिए जाना बेटा।
टेस्ट ही तो देख रहा हूँ माँ।
बेटा, ये टेस्ट जल्द से जल्द होना जरूरी है।
माँ क्या जल्दी जल्दी लगा रखी है? टेस्ट कराने में थोड़ी देर हो गई तो क्या हो जाएगा?
देख बेटा, देखा, इसलिए समय पर पहुंचना जरूरी है।
गर्भावस्था के पहले 3 महीनों के अंदर जल्द से जल्द HIV की जांच जरूर करवाएं, ताकि शिशु को HIV संक्रमण से बचाया जा सके और मां और शिशु एक स्वस्थ और लंबी जिंदगी जी सके। जांच जितनी जल्दी,
सुरक्षा उतनी पक्की।
गर्भावस्था की पहली जांच में ही HIV टेस्ट जरूर कराएं।
Now I welcome you all to round 2. The round 2 is called the Googly round. So we have teams from Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura and West Bengal. I'll just skim through the rules for this round. Now this round is called the reaction round. In terms, the teams, I will be putting across a question, and as soon as the question is there on your screen, whosoever knows the answer will react. And they will show the reaction the way we practice, that is a thumbs up. The team who does it fastest would be given the opportunity to answer the question, +10 for the correct answer and -5 for the incorrect answer. There is no passing of the question. Now, being your host and your dost, again, I would want to draw from yesterday's 2 regional competitions. So the essence of this competition is competitiveness. That is, you will have to take the plunge and take risk, because everybody knows fortune favors the brave. But the bottom line being, it has to be a calculated risk. So having said that, let's start with round 2. First question is there on your screen, everybody. National AIDS Research Institute, NARI, a premier institute run by ICMR to provide leadership in biomedical research in HIV/AIDS, is situated in which city of India? Yes, we have West Bengal reacting first.
Pune. It's Pune.
And West Bengal is on fire. It is the correct answer. 10 points for Team West Bengal. Now, second question is there on your screen. The government of India launched a scheme to make available quality generic drugs at affordable prices to all. What is the name of the scheme? Your options are, and we have it from Team Tripura.
Jana Aushadhi Yojana. Jana Aushadhi Yojana. Option 1, option A, Jana Aushadhi Yojana.
you were on fire. You have it correct. 10 points to you. Now the third question is there on your screen. Who is the current Director General of World Health Organization? West Bengal, you are on fire. You didn't even let me complete the question. The options are West Bengal team.
Option A, option A, option A, option A.
Read his name, please.
Tedros Adhanom, option A.
And you nailed it. 10 points to you. Team West Bengal, you are on fire. You are a juggernaut. Now, next question is on your screen. As per the provisions of the HIV and AIDS Act 2017, wait. No, everybody hang on. Let's wait for Team Tripura to come back. Team Tripura. You are there? Am I audible? We are losing you out, Team Tripura. Am I audible? Can you nod your head, Team Tripura?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay. So as per the provisions of the HIV AIDS Act 2017, the Ombudsman is required to pass orders in what time frame? We have it from Team West Bengal. Yes.
Within 1 month. Within 1 month. Option A.
Team West Bengal, you are on very well deserved 10 points. And I am personally happy that you answered it correctly. Now, next question. On 1st December, people around the world unite to show support for people living with HIV and to remember those who have died from AIDS-related illness. When was the first World AIDS Day observed? This time we have it from Assam.
It's 1988.
Option A, 1988.
Then we did the.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think we did it earlier.
No, West Bengal, no, it was Team Assam. You didn't do it earlier. We have a very specialized team looking at the microseconds. So you were late by microseconds. Team Assam did it first. And we give it to Team Assam. It is the correct answer. Now we have the next question on your screen. Which mission was launched in 2013 subsuming the National Rural Health Mission and National Urban Health Mission? We give it to Team Assam now.
NHM, National Health Mission. NHM. National Health Mission. NHM.
To you, Assam. Yes, we have heard it. Kindly mute yourselves. The answer is correct. You get 10 more points. Now we are coming to the next question. And it is on your screen. From where novel coronavirus gets its name? And it's Team Meghalaya. Team Meghalaya,
Sound like.
It's not like projection. Answer A.
Yeah, you have to be more responsive. I'm giving to you. It is the correct answer. Very well deserved 10 points to you. Now we have the next question. And it's on your screens now. The POCSO Act 2012 was enacted to provide a robust legal framework for the protection of children from offences of sexual assault and harassment. POCSO stands for Tripura. And it was Team Tripura.
Prevention of children from sexual offences.
Can you name it? Which ABCD?
Option D. Option D.
D. Okay, because it's the fastest thing around, I'm giving to you this time. It isn't prevention, it is protection. But yes, we are giving to you this time. Your answer is correct. D. You said D. Okay, now next question comes on your screen. NIMS under the Indian Council of Medical Research provides technical expertise on research methodology, program evaluation, etc. NIMS stand for which team? And again it's Team Tripura.
Option D. Option D.
B, you said. Both of you are nodding your head.
Option D.
Incorrect answer indeed. It is neither B nor D. It is C. National Institute of Medical Statistics. Hard luck, Team Tripura. Now we move on to the last question of this round. So buckle your belts, and it is on your screen. On which day is National Vaccine? That was quick. Wait, let me complete the question first. On which day is National Vaccination Day observed? And Team Meghalaya?
Assam, right? Assam, right?
Yeah.
Meghalaya. Yeah, Assam or
March.
And yes, Team Meghalaya, very well deserved 10 points. It was a difficult one to crack, and you have answered it correctly. So now from 5 teams, 3 teams would be moving to the third round. Let us have a look at the score. The scores are there on your screen. West Bengal has led it from front. Very well deserved 60 points to team from West Bengal. Assam and Meghalaya, you are neck to neck. Extremely hard luck for teams from Tripura and Mizoram. We are sorry, we'll have to ask you people to leave this competition. But I am saying it again, reiterating it again. You are already the winners. Don't take it hard. It was just your bad luck. So now again, this is the end of the second round. And this is the time for audience question. Now the question would pop up on your screen. We are following the same rules. You have to answer it correctly and with the minimum time. Top 5 answers would be given prizes. We'll meet you at the other side of the advertisements. Good luck, keep seated. See you 3 teams in the finale.
सीमा, सीमा, उठो।
क्या हुआ?
चेकअप के लिए जाना है ना।
सोने दो ना।
उठो।
अगले हफ्ते चल पड़ते। थोड़ी देर हो जाएगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? क्या हुआ?
देखा? इसलिए जरूरी है टाइम का ख्याल रखना।
गर्भावस्था के पहले 3 महीनों के अंदर जल्द से जल्द HIV की जांच जरूर करवाएं ताकि शिशु को HIV संक्रमण से बचाया जा सके और मां और शिशु एक स्वस्थ और लंबी जिंदगी जी सके।
समय का मोल
HIV पे कंट्रोल।
गर्भावस्था की पहली जांच में ही HIV टेस्ट जरूर कराएं।
सिस्टर, डॉक्टर शर्मा कहाँ मिलेंगे? प्लीज एक बार जरा पूछिए ना कहाँ मिलेंगे इस वक्त।
सर, आप उधर जाके बैठ सकते हैं प्लीज?
एक मिनट, मैं जरा इनसे। सिस्टर प्लीज आप बताइए कहाँ मिलेंगे डॉक्टर? सीट से इमरजेंसी।
आई एम सॉरी आपको वेट करना पड़ा। क्या कह रही थी आप? अरे ये बच्चा, अरे कोई पकड़ो इसे। कहाँ जा रहा है? रुको, ओए। अरे रुको, कहाँ भागे जा रहे हो?
सॉरी डॉक्टर अंकल आपको इतना भगाने के लिए, पर मेरी मम्मी के पेट में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है और ये लोग आपके पास आने ही नहीं देते।
डॉक्टर, ये वो HIV केस है।
हाँ तो?
आप लोग यही पहन के सब लोग को ठीक करते हो ना, तो मेरी मम्मी को भी ठीक कर दो ना प्लीज।
डिलीवरी की तैयारी करो जल्दी।
यूनिवर्सल प्रिकॉशंस पे भरोसा करके हर रोज हजारों डॉक्टर्स इलाज करते हैं लाखों मरीजों का, उनका भी जिन्हें HIV है।
जब साथ है सुरक्षा
तो डरना कैसा?
राजू बेटा
जी,
तुम्हारी मम्मी ने तुमसे कुछ बात करनी थी।
हाँ माँ।
कुछ नहीं बेटा, कल तो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज जा रहा है ना, घर से दूर पहली बार। अरे मेरी दाल, आप बात करो ना, मैं आती हूँ।
क्या बात करनी है पापा?
तो बेटा वो फॉर हिप्पोपोटामस काफी परेशान है ना? हा?
बच्चों से H4 HIV के बारे में खुल के बात करना किसी इम्तिहान से कम नहीं, पर उन्हें असुरक्षित यौन संबंध और संक्रमित सुई से बचे रहने की सलाह तो देनी पड़ेगी। तो दीजिए और कीजिए उनकी परवरिश का असली इम्तिहान पास।
सरकारी अस्पताल में HIV की जांच और इलाज गुप्त और मुफ्त।
HIV से बचाव, लाइफ का असली इम्तिहान।
तुम्हारे पापा ने मना कर दिया तो?
इंस्पेक्टर है, हिटलर थोड़ी ना है मेरे पापा। 1-2 घंटे बिठा कर तुम्हारा टेस्ट लेंगे, फिर हाँ बोल देंगे।
टेस्ट? कैसा टेस्ट?
हाँ तो यंग मैन, क्या नाम बताया?
रवि कुमार।
जो भी है, कहाँ तक पढ़े हो?
जी मैं
क्या करते हो
आजकल? तुम
ड्रग्स तो नहीं करते?
नहीं।
और अपू से पहले कितनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स थी?
जी वो
वैसे तुम्हारा HIV स्टेटस क्या है?
हाँ जी बोलो।
HIV के लक्षण दिखने में कई साल लग सकते हैं। अगर आपने कभी भी असुरक्षित यौन संबंध रखा हो या संक्रमित सुई का इस्तेमाल किया हो तो नजदीकी ICTC क्लिनिक में HIV की जांच जरूर करवाएं। फिर प्यार का हर इम्तिहान समझो पास।
सरकारी अस्पताल में HIV की जांच और इलाज गुप्त और मुफ्त।
HIV से बचाओ, लाइफ का असली इम्तिहान।
मैं तुझे नींव दूं, मैं तुझे ताकत दूं, तुझे पंख मैं दूं, तुझे पहचान मैं दूं, मैं तुझे सब कुछ दूं, पर HIV कभी न दूं।
अगर आप माँ बनने वाली हैं, तो HIV टेस्ट जरूर करवाएं। सरकारी अस्पताल के ICTC में सलाह और HIV टेस्ट मुफ्त है और गोपनीय भी। बच्चे को HIV से बचाने के लिए जल्द पता लगाना और वक्त पे दवाई दिलवाना जरूरी है।
एक कदम जिंदगी की ओर।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, ये मेरा इस्तीफा।
क्यों?
सर यहाँ के ट्यूबलाइट से मेरे को एलर्जी होता है सर। ओके।
मुझे यहाँ का वास्तु पसंद नहीं है।
रॉकेट साइंस सीखना है।
मुझे बॉलीवुड में जूनियर आर्टिस्ट का रोल मिला है सर।
मेरा
क्या कोई मजाक है क्या? एक से एक घटिया रीजन देके रिजाइन कर रहा है?
आपने मोहित को HIV के कारण जॉब से निकाला था, वो नहीं था घटिया रीजन?
भेदभाव उनके साथ कीजिए जो HIV पॉजिटिव लोगों के साथ भेदभाव करते हैं।
मोहित, मेरा इस्तीफा। क्या यहाँ का बॉस ठीक नहीं है यार। सॉरी यार, काम कीजिए आप लोग।
HIV एड्स अपनेपन को नहीं मार सकता।
अंकल, आप ठीक तो हो ना?
बेटा थैंक यू। ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं अंकल, अभी ब्लड डोनेट करके आई हूँ।
बेटा तुम्हें तो बहुत कमजोरी महसूस होती होगी।
कोई कमजोरी नहीं अंकल, हर 3 महीने में करती हूँ।
अच्छा।
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं, इंसान होना जरूरी है। रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती, शरीर उस खून को जल्दी बना लेता है।
सोचिए मत, करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है।
Now I welcome you all to the third round of this very, very interesting RRC quiz competition. Before we start that, I would want to announce the winners of both the audience questions. So the winner for the first set of question is Miss Jyoti Chaudhary from state of Maharashtra, Rajendra Meena from Rajasthan, Janice from Goa, Prince Kumar Soni from Chhattisgarh, and Vijay J from Goa. So 2 from Goa, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. Very well played. Your prizes would be, you would be in person contacted and prizes would be given to you. Now for the second round of audience question, the winners are Sitaram Yadav from state of Rajasthan, Sham from Puducherry, Ankita Singh from West Bengal, Zyangmo Zar from state of Nagaland, Neetu from Chhattisgarh. So I think the beauty of having an audience question is the regional representation that we get from across India. All of you very well played. You would be contacted in person and prizes would be delivered to you. Again, many congratulations. So now we start with the third round. I would just go through the rules for the third round. The third round is connoted as the winning stroke. Now out of the 3 teams, you have been playing very well. One team would reserve the berth for the grand finale on 12th of January. And like I said, our Honorable HFM and Minister of State would also be gracing the occasion. Having said that, me being your host and your dost, now again, one takeaway from last 2 regional competitions is the fact that you have to be competitive again, take the risk, but the bottom line being calculated risk. Now, we'll play on a similar manner. Yes, Assam, I'll get back to you. We'll play on a similar manner. I would be flashing the question. Whosoever would react the fastest would be given the opportunity to answer the question. There would be a total of 6 questions. I know, Assam, you wanted to ask the total number of questions. Now, if there are 2 reactions, more than 1 reaction, and the first team answers it incorrectly, 5 marks would be deducted from the total and the question would be passed on to the next team. So this is a passing round. And if the second team manages to answer it correctly, 5 marks would be added to the next team. And if the team answers it incorrectly, 5 marks would be deducted from their already scored total. So I think I am clear with the rules now. Can I see your heads nodding? Yes, Team Meghalaya, are you ready? Let's go and play it best. Now the first question comes on your screen. It is one of the regional centers of SARC working for prevention and control of tuberculosis and HIV/AIDS. Name the body. Your options are, and we have it from Team Meghalaya. Can we hear it from you?
A, answer A. A.
And that was a tricky answer because yes, you have corrected very, very nicely and you get 10 points. The thing is, it was a little tough, but then we have put in other diseases in order to confuse you and you cracked it very nicely. Team Meghalaya, hats off to you. Now the second question is on your screen now. In which year the Government of India announced the Red Ribbon Club program in India? And we have it from Assam.
C 2005. Can I change it? C 2005. C 2005.
Okay, and the answer is, I am sorry, it is correct. So I just wanted to come up and succumb to the pressure. You have answered it very correctly. The options were very close and you cracked it. You whipped it off. Very correct, Team Assam. Very well deserved 10 marks. Now the next question is on your screen. Which Indian Bollywood personality has been the UNAIDS International Goodwill Ambassador? Your options are followed by Team Meghalaya. Team Assam, you would be given first chance.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. B.
You have answered it correctly. Team Meghalaya, you have to be more responsive. You would have had those 10 points. Very well played, Team Assam. Now the next question is on your screen. It is an adolescent-centric health facility where they can walk in to avail free counseling and other health-related services, including HIV/AIDS. Which facility am I talking about? Team Meghalaya, you have cracked it. Which facility am I talking about? There will be no options.
Option?
There are no options.
ICTC.
I am so sorry to say it's an incorrect answer. We move to Team Assam now.
Ma'am, AFHC, Adult Friendly Health Centers. If it's correct.
Adolescent
Health Centers.
Assam, you are on fire today. It is the correct answer. Team Meghalaya, it's okay. You have more questions coming to your way. Never mind. Relax. Sit tight. Team West Bengal, you have 2 more questions. The next question is on your screen. A campaign was built around a fictional character, which used a storyboard to place him in various high-risk sexual situations with unknown outcomes. This provided a realistic behavioral model for urban population in India. Which character am I talking about? And your options are... Team Assam, and can we hear it from you?
Sulludi. This, I think it's option C, I guess.
And anybody else has reacted? West Bengal, lot of expectations. It was a character in Bengal, and the answer is Balbir Pasha.
Okay.
Answered it incorrectly. You will be losing.
Can I have the final score once to just to?
Okay. We can have the final score, please.
Last question. I did him 70, 60, 55.
So now this is the deciding question. Assam is at 70, West Bengal 60, Meghalaya 55. Now this is the final set of questions. Assam, please mute yourselves. Now this is the deciding question. It is a neck-to-neck competition. Whosoever gets it correctly would be the probable winner. Now the next question is flashed on your screens now. Which legislation of Parliament was enacted to stop female feticide and ban prenatal sex determination? Your options are... and West Bengal followed by Team Meghalaya. Can we hear it from West Bengal?
Option C.
Preconception Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act. Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Team Meghalaya, it's okay. West Bengal has answered it very correctly. They deserve the 10 points. And the scores are on your screen now. So now Team Assam and Team West Bengal are on a tie. Team Meghalaya, you are the second runner-up. Very well played. Now this question is the bouncer question, and only teams from Assam and West Bengal are allowed to participate in it. And the rules are same. It is a reaction question. It will not appear on the screen. You'll have to listen to me very, very carefully, both the teams. One hand on the mouse, your ears wide open, and your concentration here, because this is the deciding question. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize jointly with Malala Yousafzai for the rights of all children to education. And Assam reacted first. Name the personality.
Kailash Satyarthi.
And you have bagged it. Very, very congratulations, Team Assam. A huge round of applause. Kailash Satyarthi was the third Indian to be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize, following Mother Teresa and Rajendra Pachauri from IPCC. Played it very, very well. Hard luck to team from West Bengal. It was a neck-to-neck competition, and you have won it by 5 marks. You have gone ahead, 10 marks. You have gone ahead. Very, very well played. You were composed. You took calculated risks, and you were on fire. Congratulations to all the 3 teams. We have winner from the state of Assam. It is a time of joy. And now I would want, so let's the celebration sink in. Another round of applause from the team from Assam. So Kailash Satyarthi was a 100-pound question. You answered it very correctly. He's heading the Bachpan Bachao Andolan, and he has received the Nobel Peace Prize. Like I said earlier, he's the third Indian to receive it. First was Mother Teresa, and the second was Rajendra Pachauri, who was heading the IPCC. Intergovernmental, it is related to the environment, this organization. And you nailed it. You answered it correctly. So Team Assam, we'll be seeing you again on January 12th to commemorate the observance of National Youth Day. So we have Assam, we have Rajasthan, we have Puducherry, and post-lunch we'll have another round and we'll get the winners. So see you on 12th. Pull up your socks, fasten your seat belt, and take the plunge. We'll be seeing you on 12th of January. Just wait, we are getting our dignitaries on the boat now. So just hold on.
Garima, is the competition over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the results?
Sir, it was a very neck-to-neck competition. All the 3 qualifying teams for the third round, Team Meghalaya, Assam and West Bengal, played it very, very brilliantly. And it was a tiebreaker, and Assam is the winner. They answered Kailash Satyarthi very correctly. Second is West Bengal, and third is Team Meghalaya. A very well-deserved, all the 3 teams, sir. They played really very well.
Okay, let us see if the JS has come, and we'll request him to join. देख लो यार, हाँ तो सर, हाँ बोलो खत्म हो गया, असम विनर है. We are just checking with the JS, huh?
Sure.
Who else is there? Some project directors are there?
Yes, sir. We are also reaching out to project director of Assam, who is the winner, and project director of West Bengal, who is the host team, sir.
Okay, so let's wait for just 2-3 minutes. Huh?
Sure, sir.
अब रक्तदान करने की खुशी में कोई पार्टी रखता है क्या?
अरे भोंपू, तेरी मिली बेबी ने बिल्ली का हैप्पी बर्थडे किया तो कूल, और बाबा लोग ने रक्तदान के बाद थैंक यू पार्टी किया तो फूल।
चल खून देने के बाद कोई इस तरह ठुमक के नाचता है क्या? कमजोर हो जाता है जैसे टायर पंक्चर।
ऐसा? उनके साथ मैं भी गया था, खून देने। दिखता हूँ कमजोर तो थैंक यू पार्टी।
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं, इंसान होना जरूरी है। रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती। शरीर उस खून को जल्द ही बना लेता है।
करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है। अब रक्तदान करने की खुशी में कोई पार्टी रखता है क्या? अरे भोंपू, तेरी मिली बेबी ने बिल्ली का हैप्पी बर्थडे किया तो कूल, और बाबा लोग ने रक्तदान के बाद थैंक यू पार्टी किया तो फूल।
चल चल, खून देने के बाद कोई इस तरह ठुमक ठुमक के नाचता है क्या? कमजोर हो जाता है जैसे टायर पंक्चर।
ऐसा उनके साथ मैं भी गया।
Okay, so friends,
Wait, sir.
I saw this.
Sir, can you hold on? We are live now. So I would request our Deputy Director General, Shri Naresh Goyal, who has been heading the CST as well as IEC division at National AIDS Control Organization. It was under his guidance and leadership that we were able to successfully hold these 3 regional quiz competitions, and we look forward for support from his end. And we are humbled to be performing under his stewardship as well as guidance. So let us all hear from our Deputy Director General, Dr. Naresh Goyal. Sir, please.
Thank you, Garima, and once again, good afternoon to all the participants who are present right now and attending this virtual meeting. So I'm really excited to see the interest and enthusiasm that is there among the youth for gaining knowledge and competing for this. So this was really a great thing. After a long time, I've seen this among the for the health issues also. Their knowledge is so good, and in fact, when we were making the questions, I thought only 50% or 60% at the most questions will be answered. But realizing that the knowledge, the hard work that people have put in, the nearly 80% or more than 80% questions were answered. So it's a great thing. Keep learning, keep disseminating this knowledge that you have, and keep protecting everyone from HIV/AIDS. That's the message I would like to give. And this is a kind of a beginning for all of you, and we will like to organize these kind of competitions more and more, so that it's not only that your college or this college or that college is there, but more and more people get an opportunity to participate in such things and disseminate this knowledge. With these words, thank you very much, and congratulations to the Assam and all others. As I said earlier also, everyone is a winner in this game. So this is a win-win situation for us also, for you also, for anybody who is listening to this program also. So thank you very much for being here, and congratulations for winning this contest. Over.
Thank you so much, Dr. Goyal, for your inspiring words. And now this competition has come to an end. Don't be heartbroken. Meghalaya and West Bengal, you played it brilliantly. I'm reiterating again and again. And yes, Team Assam, we'll see you on 12th. Tata, goodbye. Thank you all. This is Garima, your host and your host. Goodbye. Have a good day.